Good morning. Roadblock reporting live from the Appalachian Trail. Today is day 24 and I am out on the trail fairly early. It's like just after 7. It's going to be a shorter day, hiking to a shelter that's like 9.5 miles up the trail, and also going to stop by Brushy Mountain Outpost. Hopefully they're open. They have food and other stuff, I think. Maybe I'll be able to find a wall charger. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Let's go hiking. We start the day with a 2-mile climb, but it's not that bad because it's a bunch of switchbacks. And people say that Virginia is flat. Virginia is not flat, but the climbs become less intense. So I wonder if that's why people say Virginia is flat. Seems like a good theory. There's a lot of switchbacks. Switchbacks are good. It's what makes the climbing more bearable. Although I've been on some pretty steep switchbacks too. Does anybody know what this plant is? I think it might be mountain laurel. It's really cute. I wonder if that's the same trail boss that does the roller coaster in Northern Virginia. Very, very nice tunnel. I'm behind Upstate and Smiles. I was pretty happy when people started walking by my tent last night because I basically didn't see a hiker. Well, I didn't see a hiker at all after I got on the trail yesterday at Walker Gap. And there were a couple of guys at the one road crossing doing trail magic. But yeah, I didn't really see anybody at all day yesterday. And it gets lonely when you stay someplace all by yourself. But I'm optimistic about seeing hikers today. Double G ended up rolling into my campsite after me, and he stayed. So it's just nice when there's another human person in the vicinity of where you're hiking. I really hope the Brushy Mountain Outpost is open and serving food, and they have like resupply stuff too. That's coming up in the next, I have less than 5 miles, I think, to get there. So it'll be a good place to take a break. That could be new, but maybe not. Almost. Gary, did you shed your shell because summer's coming and it's heavy? That's smart. I found this in a hiker box, and oh man, is it good. I'm gonna have to buy these banana bread. Belvitas. I pick up a lot of these little hitchhikers. Isn't he cute? Where are you going? Oh my gosh. You're adorable. What should we call you? You're so cute. So, this is Wilder. We met today on the trail. She's through hiking. Her dad has been following her for a while now, right?
Yeah, since Georgia.
Oh man, and they meet up every couple days or so, or?
Yeah, about once a week, and then I take a zero with him once a week.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
And you said your dad is a section hiker.
Yeah, he does sections with his group of friends called the Old Goats.
Oh, that's so fun.
Yeah.
I feel like I've heard of them.
I don't know, maybe.
I feel like I've heard of them.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Anyway, we've been walking together today. She has a similar pace, or maybe I have a similar pace. I can't decide. Anyway, I have just had a very long break at the Brushy Mountain Outpost. I had a cheeseburger and fries and a Diet Coke, and sat there for, man, probably like 2 hours, hour and a half, 2 hours. Yeah, probably like 2 hours, because I think I got here about 10:30. The shelter's only in 2 miles. It's only like 12:30 now. I don't think I'm gonna stop at the shelter. Hi. I think I'm gonna keep going for a minute, because why not? Now that's a pretty view. That's Interstate 77 down there. I don't think I've ever driven on that one. Pretty sure these are the ones. They're definitely eating something over there. Yeah. Or they're eating a dead thing. Oh man. So pretty. Well, I'm gonna keep going. I made it to the Jetty Knob shelter. I am, again, a day ahead of schedule. I ended up hiking 18.5 miles today. It's the longest trail day I've had. I beat my record from last year. And I crossed my 1,100 mile mark today. It's been a really good day. The trail was so nice. And I mean, there was ups and downs, but they weren't super, super steep. So yeah, I think it took me only like 9 or 10 hours to do 18 miles. I had a 2-hour break at the Brushy Mountain Outpost. It was a really good day. Tomorrow, I'm going to do a Nero to Weary Feet Hostel. I'll see you then.